not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, the sun hot. So what me I gonna do today? Me I gonna do a fat spray prank for my father. But then on the bed only for prank business, but me I gonna do it. And me I gonna eat what happen. So follow me. We're gonna get this done. Alright? So guys, we pull up at the mall because I don't have no fat spray. And now I think about doing a prank. It come up in my head a while ago. Me in our store. I want me get a good reaction from him. One when we stink. When we stink. So the man sell them. Me can bring it with me because my father not pay me no man when he see me buy things there. But my father that only world. Oh God. But me not gonna make it see when I buy still. But if you see it, I'm gonna know you're that old world. Me go and know say you know make him vomit or make him get sick. But who I see it, I want a good reaction. I'm still not gonna do the more prank. Alright. Alright, so I'm reaching the mall. Maybe get the damage, you know, the danger. Maybe get it, you know. Alright, so you say now come, so I'm reaching at the store now. Alright. Yes, I'll be in here now. Yeah. Hello. You work here? No, I'm so sorry. Sorry, lovey. So daddy, you're gonna get your pedicure now. So today, in a week, some of the teeth them are so busy. I don't think so. No, it's just one. Yeah. Yeah. She did my eyebrow the other day and she said everybody good. So she's gonna do my dad's today. So you good at pedicure too? Everybody good at pedicure? She's my friend. So I'm treating him today. Yes. So I'm gonna do the deluxe for him. The first one. Huh?
What kind? And
The deluxe, just the first one. This is what I got the other day. It's one.
this one.
Yeah.
$600 more
No, it's okay.
Yeah,
You just
$500 more.
the main thing he needs is nails to clip and that's it.
That's the one.
This one. I need this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's-
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
But the one thing, you know, them are upgrade you. She said she said everybody good, we do good. So your toenail's gonna come perfect. Cause she said everybody good. Sit in the chair, daddy. Yeah, everything.
Do you want some?
What you said?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that. What was
Yeah,
that?
sit here. Good here.
Oh, you were saying everybody here did what? Do what?
Good.
Everybody here do good? I love that. Oh, good. Everybody good. Oh, nice. Love it. Oh, she's good. Okay, all right. She did my eyebrows good. Yes. No, but I said me wicked, you know. So, me can't go to pedicure and then they give fat spray prank. This is just for entertainment, okay?
Your daddy.
Yes, my dad. Yeah. It feel good, daddy. What you say? Come like on for your foot. Chop off the food, prepare for you.
That's a good color. I chose pink.
Oh, yeah.
Good color, daddy.
Free. Color free.
Yeah, good color. Or you want orange?
Yeah.
Pink.
Okay?
Pink.
Pink.
I want orange. Night come down quick today though. Very quick. That one gym store where sell whole heap of gym clothes and something. Only gym alone stay open late. Hey, no matter how young them pick me in, see them ear color daddy.
Yeah, man, that way I said.
Hmm?
Something funny.
But they hurt me.
Isn't it? Something else, man.
What did they say?
Something else,
Let me have this shits daddy. Oh, sorry. Daddy not smelly.
Isn't it?
I'm not sure nothing.
Oh, that's strong, man.
Sorry, my belly hurt me.
Are you?
My belly hurt me.
Is that you?
What we do?
I'm trying to smell something.
Daddy, if you eat.
When I eat back this thing, something made this here.
Burger.
You know something?
You don't smell nothing when I say this, man.
What you don't smell of it?
No, I don't smell nothing.
May I spray cologne? You smell it, daddy?
No, look at this side. I don't smell nothing.
May I spray cologne like here.
Bombard.
So, yeah, I want to smell that, we not smell that. Why not even that then?
No, sir.
May I spray cologne? You don't smell it, daddy?
Oh, that funny car me don't smell nothing.
You smell the cologne? Hmm? Where you smell? My belly hurt me, man. Hurry up. Mm-mm. My belly just hurt me.
No, that's not right, man.
Maybe you are a daddy.
No, man, let me up.
And I mean, man, I must tell you that now.
No, man.
No, man, I you, man. And I mean.
I don't do nothing.
I know me, my belly just hurt me. I know you ease your bottom.
Yeah, he's about to.
And I me let out here. Daddy say nah smell nothing.
I don't smell nothing.
But them person always let it go and smell it.
Eh?
They always say person let it go never smell it.
Never smell it. I know me, my belly just cut me.
I don't know where that smell.
I must eat steak when me eat today. I must that. But me no ease my bottom. Me don't ease my bottom.
Someone won't do them to me.
You sure are you?
Come on, man.
Eh?
I said no.
Trying to smell. Where about I come?
Alright, why don't you window them? Why don't you window them? Daddy, why don't you window? Daddy, that smell bad, man. Me that
Sure.
hurt me and me. Daddy, and you?
You come here.
You have to own up here, Daddy. And say, let fat be free because it killed Mary Lee.
It's funny because it's not me.
And you?
No, we are some man.
And him and me, that must you?
Wait out of you, say.
Me surprised.
The fish. I mean, just want a chicken sandwich.
Do you have...
He stink, man. Then when I dead right in there, Daddy, where you step in a doodoo? Check if you step in a doodoo. Because I look on my shoes, I don't step in a doodoo. Look if you step in a doodoo.
The funniest thing that
Daddy, you have to go check yourself, because if you know me and him, you have to go check yourself for the go. Just the truth. Maybe I get up in the age, you don't know. You might shit yourself, you don't know.
You see your life funny. That's why some people can't get no sense. I'm saying, I don't know what I talk about. I don't mean, man. Why you don't believe me?
Sorry, Daddy.
Wow.
So you know if I smell, Daddy. So you say you're not smelling. Jesus. It stink. Me, I wonder where your nose, if your nose under your foot bottom. Me and that hurt me. Ooh, it stink. Me don't know how people then do so much fast-paced prank in that video. It stink. Me, oh, you say that smell it? It come like your nose under your foot bottom. They over there say, I want to smell so stink.
What?
It stink. No, sir. Me not do this again. Me head hurt me. It stink. Me head hurt me. Me can't stay no longer. Me head kill me. It stink. Me don't know how to do it. Me have an instant headache. Daddy say I smell it, so me have to wonder say if he knows under your foot bottom.
You blank with you. You never know, say you're fast.
So Daddy, me get you.
You get me good, man.
And I'm all me go buy, but me you know I'm all me buy, but me know you know watch what me a buy. You just already your whole little world. You know business with me a buy, you know look. And if me decide that you buy fat spray, you know say a fat spray.
You get me good.
Me get you good. Daddy say, when you start tell lie about me, and that's why you see some things that must be believed. Okay, people tell lie about them. Me not do it. Me say no me. Me head. Me say to Daddy say, check your foot bottom and see if you step in a doodoo. No, me head, me have to take off this. The way my head hurting, me have to take off a wig. Daddy smelly, but Daddy didn't want me feel bad. That's a good father. That's a great father. This is Daddy's favorite store. See in there, look. Daddy's favorite store. See favorite, yeah? Ray and nephew. Ray and nephew, bad boy. Your favorite store? You don't drink, so where you drink? Where you drink? You don't drink? Where am I again? Where you drink?
We drink Jack Daniel.
Jack Daniel. Me have Jack Daniel. But me not drink, but them full. Me have it. And then this is my favorite, the Baileys, flavored Baileys. Love them. Love it.